There has been a lot of issues using my disturbed custom status, and here's how to fix each one of those issues. So I'm gonna show three of the issues. So let's go and install Termux right now. Can't do the custom status if you don't follow this, because this has been an issue for Termux itself, not on the script. Okay, so let's open it. First is the error for apt get update. So let me demonstrate. If I tap apt get update, just like that, you're gonna get some error about some repository. Possible cause repository is under maintenance. That's because the repository is down. So what you're gonna do is set Termux change repo. So after you enter that, if you put the keyboard down, you're gonna see something like this. What you're gonna do is select all, put some asterisks on all of them, and press OK, and you're gonna select mirrors by albatross. So if mirrors by albatross doesn't work, you can try Gremlin, Sapphire, I don't know, any of them, as long as you don't get a repository under maintenance error. So you can click OK on that, and that should fix the problem just fine. If you type apt update now, wait, it's up the wrong. No, that's the wrong one. Apt update. Alright, that should. Yeah, that should say done. That's working fine. The next issue is when you install package install Python. Wait, this is not the issue, but the issue after package install Python 3. So we're just gonna install Python first. Alright, so when you try to install this Python 3 and pip install, you discord py. So every time you install this, you're gonna get error, because there's some recent changes that probably Termux made, and it's not making you install this discord.py, this module. So let's try to do it. So what we're having here is failed to build multi-dig YARL, which thanks for everyone that reported this issue. So it took me a lot of time to figure this out, but you can actually just fix it by using a simple command. Thought it was a big issue, but it doesn't. So this fixes the command. I will post this on the description, and make sure you copy and paste this. So I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna demonstrate. So you paste this code to the command, and after that you type it again, Python 3 pip install u discord.py. So that command above this one would fix this command. or so to speak. Just gonna try that and see how it works. Now it's done. It's not throwing any errors. So we can try to run our Py script, the release11.py or the release.py. So, oh yeah, we forgot to set up termux setup storage, so we don't have access to our internal storage, and we're gonna grant it now. So people have also been like reporting about this problem. You need to allow it. Just allow. We're just gonna set a storage. CD storage. CD shared. So if you put the release.py on the internal storage, it should pop up right here. So we're gonna try it. Python 3 release 11.py. I'm not sure if I put my token on this one, but let's try. And it's interrupting. Alright, so we did it. There's like my name over the top. And yeah, so that should do it. That's how you fix it. That's how you fix all. I'm gonna post all the commands in the description, make sure to check them out. And yeah, there's another one with an issue with, let's see, people who don't know how to get their token. Okay, for the token part, people have having problems about this because people can't get their token. That's because they don't have a PC or they don't have boot. So one way you can do this is you can go download on the Play Store something called, not this one, developer browser, not disable, developer browser, yeah, this one. So we're gonna browser for developer by Yuda Prama. So you're just gonna install that. I already installed mine, and first you type discord bot discord, hold on, discord developer. And I'm gonna go here. Go applications, and it's gonna redirect you to login. And so I'm just gonna log in with my account. I will blur the screen, so okay, you can do it. So if you're just getting something like that, you can just go on desktop mode. You can't put your keyboard. Probably I need to do this on portrait. Hold on, I'm gonna switch to portrait. Alright, works on portrait. So I'm just gonna try my account, which I will blur. Forgot my account. So after you log in, you're gonna see your profile over there, and you're just gonna type discord.com. and you're gonna type click login. It's not how it's supposed to work. It's at channels, I guess. And this should be like PC. That should work like PC, like we're doing on PC. So just let the thing load. Just gonna pop up something like that. So you're gonna get all kind of stuff. So next thing you do is you go to the developers, yeah, and you're gonna paste a command, something like that. So I'll add this on the description as well. So make sure to check this out. And you're just gonna scroll down first. Alright, and just click play. And you should see your Discord token there. So this is how you do it on mobile without root or without PC. And that's it for today. Thanks for watching.